Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Today is Monday, 21st of December 2020. Our lesson will be grammar and our topic will be about verbs. Okay? Please listen carefully to this lesson. I am Miss Jasmine. I am Miss Jasmine. And I want you to get your Hodder Learner's book. Your Hodder Learner's book and open it on page 17. Open it on page 17. Let's read the helpful hints. A verb is an action or being word. Every sentence needs a verb. Again, a verb is an action or being word. Every sentence needs a verb. For example, he runs to school. She is tall. The words that is written in blue, like runs and is, are our verb. The way the verb is written tells us whether the event in the sentence happens now or present tense, will happen in the future, or has happened already, or in the past tense. For example, I skipped along the road. I am hot today. So the word or the verb skip and am are in the present tense. While I skipped along the road. Look at the skipped. We double the P and we add ed. Skipped. And I was hot today. Was. So skipped with ed and was are our verbs in the past tense. Again, what is a verb? A verb is a word which describes the action in a sentence. Again, a verb is the word that tells the action in the sentence. Examples here, the words that is written in yellow are verbs. Okay? I play football. They skip quickly. We eat spaghetti. Bob is 7 today. Play, skip, eat, and is are our action in the sentences. We have verbs to be. We use is and am for the present, or it happens now, and we use was if it happened in the past. Is, was, we use it for only one noun. For example, Jasmine is, she is, he is, it is. For we use only for I. I am. I am eating. I am playing. If it is in the past, we use I was. Jasmine was, she was, he was, or it was. For a plural, for example, for they are, we are, you are. For the past, we use were. They were, we were, and you were. Also, we have regular verbs. Regular verbs is very easy because In the past tense of the verb, we just add ed to the regular verbs. We just add ed to our regular verbs. Look at these examples. Skip, skipped. Open, opened. Cook, cooked. Climbed, climb, climbed. Dance, danced. We have here the adding ed rule for our spelling. The past tense of many verbs is formed by adding ed. Okay, some of the verbs, we call these verbs regular verbs. We add ed to them to make them in the past. That's very easy. But we have rules like jumped, hunted. When the verb ends in y, change the y to I and add ed. For example, copy. So we drop the y, change to I and add ed, and it will become copied. Reply, we drop down the y, change to I and add ed. So replied. When the verb ends in e, drop the e and add ed. For example, hike, hiked. Love, loved. When the verb is one syllable and ends with a single consonant after a single or short sound vowel, double the consonant before adding ed. For example, pat, patted. Drop, dropped. These words pat and dropped are short vowels. We hear a and we hear o. So they are short vowel sound. And then we double the consonant tt, pp, and then we add ed. This is for the regular verbs. Regular verbs, we add ed to the verb to make it in the past tense. Okay, now let's go to the other group of verbs. Irregular verbs. Irregular verbs. These verbs, we need to change the spelling of the words to make them in the past. To make them in the past. Run, ran. We change the spelling. Drive, drove. Eat, ate. Okay? The cry is, this one belongs to the regular verbs because so look at them carefully. We change their spelling when they are in the past tense. This is for irregular verbs. Irregular verbs. And this is your activity for today. Okay, you will find this one on page 17. You need to, which of these sentences are in the past tense? Write the sentences in the past, okay? And write a sentence in the past tense for each of these pictures. Thank you, you two. I hope you enjoy and you learned something today about verbs. We have two kinds of verbs. Regular verbs that we add only ed to make them in the past, and for irregular verbs, we need to change their spelling. Remember, verbs are the action in the sentences. Thank you and have a good day learning.